Hi guys, my name is Beyza Nursari and today I'm back with, let me just turn off. Um, so what I was saying, I'm back with homework 3. So we are asked to create a generic class named storage box that represents a storage box capable of storing items of any type. Any type, this is important. The storage box class should have a capacity limit, and it should support methods for adding items, removing items, checking if the box is empty, and checking if the box is full. Implement a simple program to demonstrate usage of this generic class with different types of items, and add items until the capacity is reached and attempt to add more items. When we try to attempt to add more items, we will have an error, I guess. And remove items until the box is empty and attempt to remove more items. Yes, this is on Uzam and we are asked to do it. Input breakpoints and debugs, okay. So let me just write the codes. Of course, I get help with the internet, ChatGPT, because I'm not in a situation to create big codes, so many codes in Java. Okay, public class storage box T yes, and private T. Let's create a private class. Private T empty items. Private. Oh no. Private int capacity and private int size. Capacity and size is important for us. What is this? So I have an error here because this is main Java and this is storage box. It wants me to create a new file named storagebox.java. I will create with the shortcut. Do you want to? Yes. So now there is no any problem. And there is our constructor, public storage box, public storage box, and then here comes for integer capacity. This capacity equals to capacity. Why it happened like that? Anyway, let's go for it. This items okay, and new object. This is for the we are adding something, new object, capacity, and then this size for initial equals to 0. Why? Is this wrong? Yes. No, it's supposed to be that way. No, wait. I think it will be fixed if I keep going. So now we have a method to add an item to the box. So we're going to use void public void add item. Public void add item t item, and I will be use if else conditions. If size smaller than capacity, then items I'm a very slow coder for Java equals to item. But what are these red things? Public not allowed here. But I tested out yesterday and it was working amazing. Anyway, let's keep adding. So we're gonna take a look for errors in the end. I fixed this one. I probably made a syntax error. But now it's all okay. So system out, I complete this. System out println edit item plus item. It adds the item, else storage box is full. When it's full, no, let's say I created this else because it's supposed to give an error because it cannot take it anymore. That's why. And now it's time for removing an item from the box. So public T remove item. I can make. I'm not sure where to. I guess I'm gonna add here. Public T remove item. T remove item. And if that means it's not empty. But I need to put a parenthesis. Okay. T removed item. T is supposed to be removed item. Uh, oh, what happened? Equals item. We need to decrease the size. It's like this, I guess. And then for first items size equals to 0 for beginning. Actually, I have to say null. Yes. And then so system out printer and remove the item. Remove item. Oh, what happened? Okay, removed item. And then we need to call this with a return. Remove item. So I'm just checking if we got something wrong. Also, I need to add an else. Else. Storage box is full. Pardon me, is empty. Cannot delete item. And then it's supposed to return no. So I think we're fine here. We have an error. Where is it? I guess this one. This is not a problem. It will be fixed. So now we have a method to check if the box is empty. And it's in Boolean type. Public Boolean is empty. Okay. Is empty. Return size equals to 0. Return size equals to 0. If it's empty, give me a 0. And now we need to have a method to check if the box is full. Public Boolean is full, and then return size capacity, because think like you have reached your capacity. That's why we did that. And now create a storage box with capacity of, let's say, 5. Yes, let's add 5 items. Okay, this is the part where magic happens. Public storage box. It's red because I have to write as capital. Storage box. String. Again. Storage box equals to, no. This is for adding. How many we are supposed to add? Let's say 5 we set. So add items until capacity is reached. Okay. How can I write storage box? I'm gonna say again. Storage box point add item. Let's say our item is, let's say computer. Storage box add item. Telephone. Actually, I can just copy paste. So it's gonna be quicker. 3, 4, 5. Telephone. Spoon. I'm just making up. Spoon. Skirts. And okay, let's say tablet. Is it supposed to write? I'm not sure. I'm gonna say iPad. Okay. Now let's attempt to add more items. Let's say fork, chattels. So let's see what happens when we run the code. Okay, we have computer, we have telephone, we have spoon, we have skirt, we have iPad. Like, this is 5, right? 5 items. But when it comes to 6, storage box is full, cannot add item, fork. Look, because of here. You see, this is the method that makes the work like that. Yes. Okay, but don't worry, I will debug them line by line so we will see clearly. Okay. And remove items until the box is empty. This is what we're going to do now. While storage, should I write? Yes. Storage. What? It's supposed to be a small storage box. Point is empty. Why? It's red. Oh, because I need to write parentheses. Okay, anyway, it's gonna be fixed probably when we fill inside. Storage box. Item. Okay, let's change it to capital. I think it's okay. No. And now this is the underwriting. No, it's supposed to be tiny s. Okay, it's gonna be fixed. No worries. What did I do? Remove item. And now attempt to remove more items to see if it's gonna give an error about, hey, there's no anything in our list. What are you trying to delete? And I should have right out of parentheses. Storage box. Suddenly it's not coming off. This is weird. And remove item. Okay. So I'm just thinking about what's wrong. Okay, let's debug to see what is wrong. Okay, so I asked chat to fix for me, and I had these parentheses. I put my parentheses in wrong, probably in here, and it gave me an error. I supposed to be more careful, but this is the code. So now I'm gonna put red dots and let's debug together. So where to put debugs? In size, capacity. So I'm gonna put for these ones. Should I also put here? Yes. And storage box empty. Let's return room. Okay, let's first run and see if our code works. Okay. Item 1, I put the telephone, skirt, etc. But chat gave me as item 1, 2, 3. It's okay. Let's go for them. Item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We added 5 of them, right? So, when we try to add one more, it gives an error, storage box is full, cannot add item. Okay, and now we'll be deleting them. Item 5 is deleted. What was that? The last in, first out, yes. And then item 4, item 3, item 2, item 1, they are removed. When you try to remove one more, it gives an error, storage box is empty, cannot remove item. Okay, let's work with debug and see if it's gonna give us line by line. Okay, it started from here. Let's go. No showing, okay. Yes, now our capacity is 5. And size 1. Item 2 is here. And item Okay. Item 3 we have like, did you see? It's just add item 3. No, we are on item 5, but it didn't add right now. For adding, it's supposed to come here, like this one. And our item 5 is here. Item 6, let's see if it's gonna add. No, it didn't add. It worked this place. It's the mount printer and storage box is full. So item 6, as you can see, it didn't add as item. Let's keep. Okay, now we will be removing item 5. Last and first out. First removed one. Yes, removed item 5. It goes like that, so let's check others. Removed item 4. It goes that way. As you can see, removed item 2. Item 1. Removed, and it comes here to remove. Okay, what is it saying? All elements are null. What to do next? Remove item. And it gave me this line. Storage box is empty, cannot remove. Return, no. Yes. It was all for today. I understand really well, actually. This really taught me some good things. And yes, thanks our teacher for giving homeworks like that. Of course, I can't do this all by myself. I asked for my friends. How to say, we discussed, yes. And from internet, I watched some YouTube videos about it. I asked help from chat because I'm not in the, like, I wanted to take help. That's all. So let me explain you a little more. In this code, we define a generic class, storage box T, where what is T if you want to ask? T is a placeholder for the type of items that the box can store. So the constructor initializes the capacity of storage box and creates an array to store items. Methods add item and remove item allow us to add and remove items, as you can see. Methods is empty and is full. Checks if the box is empty or full. In the main method, we demonstrate the usage of storage box class by adding items until the capacity is reached. Yes, and attempting to remove more items. That's all I was gonna say. See you.